Welcome to the Wealth Protocol series. Today, we're diving into the Zero Capital Protocol, how to build wealth starting from $0. If you've ever felt held back because you lack initial capital, this video is for you. We're going to shatter that limitation and show you a clear path to building wealth. The biggest myth holding people back is the belief that you need money to make money. While traditional investing often requires capital, starting your wealth journey doesn't. Introducing the Zero Capital Protocol, a strategic framework designed to generate your initial capital using only your time, skills, and resourcefulness. This protocol is built on 3 core pillars: leveraging your existing skills, harnessing the power of digital assets, and strategic networking and resourcefulness. Let's look at the first pillar. Pillar number 1, leveraging your existing skills. This is the fastest way to generate initial capital with zero monetary investment. Start by identifying valuable, marketable skills you already possess. Think digital services like writing or coding, creative skills like graphic design, or professional services like virtual assistants. Monetize these skills through freelancing or contract work. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr offer low-barrier entry points to connect with clients and start earning immediately. Every successful zero capital journey starts with that first dollar earned. Focus intensely on getting paid for your skills to build your starting bankroll. Pillar 2 shifts our focus from actively trading time for money to building long-term value, the power of digital assets. Start building an audience and platform, such as a social media following or a YouTube channel. This costs nothing but consistency and effort, and establishes your digital footprint. Next, create low or no-cost digital products, like free ebooks or downloadable templates. These are valuable assets that can be distributed widely, with no manufacturing cost. Finally, leverage affiliate marketing and passive income streams. Promoting other people's products earns you commissions without needing to handle inventory or customer service. Pillar 3 is about maximizing efficiency when you have no capital. Strategic networking and resourcefulness. Embrace bartering and skill exchange to minimize costs. Trade your design skills for website hosting or offer services in exchange for mentorship. Seek out free educational resources. The internet is flooded with free content, courses, and digital mentors. Use these to constantly upgrade your marketable skills. The most important part of the Zero Capital Protocol is your mindset. Be relentless, adaptable, and committed to execution. Your attitude is your greatest asset. Building wealth from zero is not easy, but it is entirely possible with the right framework. You have everything you need to start right now. Remember the 3 pillars of the Zero Capital Protocol: skills to generate capital, digital assets to build leverage, and networking for resourcefulness. Stay tuned for the next video in the Wealth Protocol series, where we will discuss how to scale this initial capital into significant investment. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Share your zero capital success story in the comments below.